What you're looking at here is a hoover, shampooer, polisher. It's an older unit, but it's in very good condition, as you can see. I'm going to try to get a little close here and show you all the features here and everything it's got going on. As you can see, it's in nice shape. I've got it plugged in here. I've got it in the kitchen so I can show you the water run through it. I'm going to try to give you a good close-up of everything so you know exactly what you're getting. As you can tell, it's very clean, very good condition, still shines pretty good. No problems with it. And if I flip it over on the bottom here, the bottom is actually very clean. And if I turn it on, you'll hear it run. Overall, very good condition. Water pours out of both hoses freely. And overall, nice, clean unit in very good condition. Feel free to email with any questions, and I'll be happy to answer. On this also, you're going to get several brushes. You'll get the shampooing brushes, which are in good condition. And 2 sanders. And clips to clip these on. If you have any questions, feel free to email. Again, overall, very nice unit, very good condition, and as you can see from the video, works very good. Good luck.